I can't emphasize enough how much Conestoga really means to Eclipse. Our Canadian workforce is more than 50% Conestoga alumni, and really the foundation of the growth story that we've created here. Today we're announcing a $450,000 contribution over the next 5 years. It's not the financial element that excites me. We've really focused on coming up with a more creative way to have faculty, students, and the employer work together. First of all, we've set up a coaching and mentoring program. The next thing we're doing is creating part-time job opportunities within our workplace.
This donation is not just about monetary value. It's about being able to take practical applications we have together and expose you faster than anyone else to it. When I see what they're doing with the programs today, I really, my hat's off to you, because the flexibility that these programs provide you and the ability for you to really pivot through the industry in itself is really, really important.